Prince Harry demands for the Home Office to provide him and his family the same level of protection as when he was still a working member of the royal family were ridiculed. Royal commentator Hugo Vickers questioned the ongoing diatribe between Prince Harry and the Home Office over his demand to receive security detail to protect his family whilst in the UK. The Duke of Sussex has offered to personally pay for the protection team to receive the same level of protection from the police as working members of the royal family. But Mr. Vickers suggested Harry could simply pay for private security with the Earl he and Meghan Markle have racked up since quitting their royal job. Speaking to Good Morning Britain, the expert said, "Security, by the way, is nothing to do with the royal family, it's Scotland Yard who decides who has security. And if he's making so much money as we keep hearing, he can actually pay for his own security like a lot of people do." Prince Harry cited security concerns when last month he confirmed he would not be returning to the UK to attend the service of Thanksgiving the Queen had organised in tribute to Prince Philip. But Mr. Vickers noted the presence of a large number of royal family members would automatically guarantee the protection of the Duke of Sussex and his family because of his relatives' own security team. He continued, "If he's at Windsor, Frogmore, he would be well protected. There is a lot of security at Windsor. In fact, if you were to come out all the time, you think you could just land and walk up to the castle but before you even have the drips come off you, you would be detected. And if you were with the royal family in London, of course, they would all have protection. So I don't know what he's talking about." Prince Harry reiterated his concerns about his family security when he was asked whether he would be returning to the UK to mark the Queen's Platinum Jubilee in June. He said, "I don't know yet. There is lot of things, security issue and everything else. So this is what I am trying to do, trying to make it possible that, you know, I can get my kids to meet her." Despite his concerns, Prince Harry briefly returned to the United Kingdom last week before heading to The Hague for the opening ceremony of the Invictus Games. His arrival went undetected and he spent a couple of days at his Windsor home, Frogmore Cottage, and met with both the Queen and Prince Charles. Meghan Markle, who stayed with him in the Netherlands until earlier this week, was also at Windsor and saw Her Majesty for the first time in person in over 2 years. The Duchess of Sussex had not returned to the UK since attending her last royal engagement at Westminster Abbey in March 2020.